President for Mindanao, Kuya Alan Acor. Maswerte kayo sa Caraga Region 6, the Vice President for Mindanao is coming from your region, from Caraga Region 6. To the newly elected regional officers of Caraga Region 6, headed by the Regional Governor, Kuya Roberto Parada Jr., Kuya Jun, and the Vice Governor, Kuya Francis Aranis Jr., Kuya, and to all the National Assemblyman, kay Kuya Jerome Vidal, kay Kuya Roy Opliesa, and Kuya Nilo Dineri, the Provincial Governor of Dinagat Island. Sabi nga nila, mas mataas daw yung posisyon ng Aguila kaysa mga provincial governor. Kasi yung provincial governor sa isang province lang, yung atin ay sa isang region, sa buong Caraga region. And to the alternate Assemblyman, Kuya Eric Ibay, and Kuya Julio Locano. Sa lahat ng mga appointed national regional officers in Caraga Region 6, it is my honor and privilege to extend my heartfelt thanks and congratulations to the new set of officers of the Caraga Region 6 under the leadership of Kuya John Parada. Please remember, mga Kuya natin, that in Eagles, we have no other business. Our business in Eagles is to help the needy people, the community, and the country. And I will encourage you all to continue all your humanitarian services for the betterment of the Filipino people. Our organization, the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, is now the largest and the strongest fraternal socio-civic organization in the country. Last 2 weeks ago, the Board of Trustees of the Fraternal Order of Eagles decided to appoint me as your acting national president for the series of complaints raised by the regional governors and club presidents nationwide for our national president, Kuya Arnold Ladaya. And as of now, we have ongoing investigation just to prove kung totoo man lahat yung mga akusasyon laban sa kanya. But in the times that the Board of Trustees decided, si Kuya Arnold po ay gumawa ng sarili na namang faction sa ating organisasyon. And may mga nakasit na mga meeting kami para pag-usapan kung ano yung mga pinagawa niya. Instead na sagutin yung mga akusasyon, ay nagbuo siya ng sariling Board of Trustees, nag-create siya ng sariling mga national officers. And I think may 10 na mga regional governors na sumama sa kanya, yung mga malapit sa kanya. But as of now, we invited all the regional governors to discuss all the issues of concern concerning our past national president, Kuya Arnold Ladaya. But as of now, ako yung namamahala sa ating organisasyon. Kaya last night, I'm in Elena Golf Course in Santa Rosa in Laguna to attend the regional anniversary of the Central Business Region 1 and induction of officers and new members of the region. And natapos kami doon, mga kuya, alam nyo, medyo 10 o'clock, after 10 o'clock may meeting pa ng mga another officers ng Eagles doon sa Luzon. Kaya after ng meeting, dumiretso na ako sa airport for my flight going to Butuan just to attend your induction ceremony. Alam niyo kasi noong time na ako ang National President in 2016 and 2017, itong Caraga Region, tatlo lang yata yung club dito. The Trinto, the San Francisco, the Cave City, and the Mount Mayapay in Butuan City. And then na-charter yung Surigao City Nigel Eagles Club. Lahat ng mga regional assembly ng Surigao o ng Caraga, doon sila pumupunta sa San Francisco, Agusan del Sur. From Surigao City, you traveled, I think, 3 hours just to attend the regional assembly in San Francisco, Agusan del Sur. That's why I suggested to Kuya Alan, Kuya Batang, na mas maganda siguro na magkaroon kayo ng isang region. Kasi nung time na yung mga kuya, when I was National President in 2016, tatlo pa lang yung requirement, tatlong club pa lang yung requirement para makapagtayo ng isang region. Kaya Kuya Alan and others accepted the challenge to charter clubs in Surigao City, in Surigao del Norte, Dinagat Island, and Siargao. And we chartered the Caraga Region 3 because after the one Caraga, we divided the Caraga into Caraga Region 1 composed of Agusan del Sur and Surigao del Sur, the Caraga Region 2 of Butuan and the whole of Agusan del Norte, and Caraga Region 3, the whole of Surigao del Norte, Dinagat Island, and Siargao. Kaya ito yung mga tatlong unang region na nabuo during my time as a National President. Kaya nung time na yon, hindi na masyado mahirap yung pag-attend ng mga meeting ng mga officers ng Eagles dito sa Caraga Region 3. I advise Kuya Alan, ikaw siguro yung mag-charter governor for the Caraga Region 3. Sabi ni Kuya Alan, by seniority, kailangan pagbigyan ko si Kuya Batang. Kaya si Kuya Batang yung charter governor ng Caraga Region 3. Yung medyo hindi lang magandang nangyari ngayon dito sa inyo because after you charter the another region, the Caraga Region 6, meron na hindi magandang nangyari sa relasyon ng dalawang region dito